Hey guys! Today's video is the part 2 of the Get Ready With Me Cosmetics Mega Lip Collection. I would like to call it Mega kasi sobrang dami talaga. So this is part 2. Ibig sabihin may part 1. Kung hindi nyo mapapanood, yung previous video ko, andon yung complete lip swatch nung High Beam High Shine Lip Oil and yung tinted lip glaze. I'm going to link it down below in case hindi nyo pa napapanood. Pero for this video, we are going to focus sa mga lip contours or also known as lip liners. And kailangan nyo ng solong video kasi 12 shades siya and I will try my best para ipakita sa inyo yung mga shades. Magkakaroon tayo ng side-by-side comparison and I'm going to swatch it on my lips as a lip liner and also as a full pack like all over the lips. Kasi yung iba kapag nag-lip liners or nag-lip contours as in yung outer corners lang, as in na-outline lang yung labi. Pero yung iba, para makasiguro na maging long-lasting yung lip product nila, ginagawa nila talagang parang lipstick yung lip liner. Or yung iba, nag-lip liner and then saka papatungan ng lip gloss or lip balm. And that's okay. That's alright. Pero ako personally, kapag lip liners or mga lip contours na maganyan, I would just use it to line the lips. So this is the lip contour, you guys, and it's a retractable gel liner. When you say retractable, the ikot over here. And ayan siya. And then meron siyang built-in sharpener. Ayan, dito sa dulo. And it's just really tiny kasi pang ano lang talaga siya. Pang dulo lang talaga. Kasi hindi mo naman na siya sharpen yung mismong packaging. So itong lip contour, hindi lang siya makeup. Meron din siya mga skin-loving ingredients. Meron siyang candelilla wax. Ganun ba pagkakasabi ng candelilla? That moisturizes the lips. Meron siyang shea butter that creates a barrier sa lips to retain the moisture. At merong vitamin E that nourishes the lips. Pero syempre, you have to take full responsibility in moisturizing your lips. Una sa lahat, mag-hydrate ka. Kasi sometimes, it's not the lip product kung bakit siya chappy or drying sa lips. It's because you're dehydrated. Next, mag-lip scrub ka. Mag-exfoliate ka ng labi mo and take off the dead skin cells. And the third one, of course, you have to regularly use yung mga lip balms or yung mga moisturizing lip oils to actually retain the moisture. So, bago kayo gumamit ng kahit anong lip product, make sure flawless na rin mismo yung labi ninyo. Pero honestly, just really maging hydrated kayo. Kasi kahit anong exfoliate nyo or moisturize nyo, kung dehydrated yung katawan nyo, waiday. So, I hope you don't mind. Gagamitin ko na sarili kong binte for the sake of this swatch. Kasi parang mas madali kapag ganito. Wag na kayong kumeme, okay? Let's focus on the shades. Anyway, first shade natin is called Maximo. And according to Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, it's a deep chocolate brown. And as you can see, you guys, it's a deep chocolate brown talaga. Walang duda. So this is Maximo as a lip contour or a just lip liner. And this is Maximo as a full pack lip color. Honestly, I don't recommend that you use lip liners as a full pack lip color kasi una sa lahat, matag yung mga lip liners. So, kailangan moisturized yung lips mo below para maging flawless yung pag-apply mo ng ganon. Moisturize nga yung lips mo. Baka mamaya maapektuhan yung longevity ng lip liner. Gets niyo ba? Pero bala kayo kung anong trip niyong gawin. Pero ako personally, yung mga lip liners lang talaga. I rarely or I almost do not use it as a full pack lip color. Unless ang ganda-ganda niya sana maging lipstick at walang lipstick na katulad nun. Gets niyo? Anyway, this is Maximo as a full pack color. Next shade natin is 215 Coffee. At ito daw ay medium warm brown. So nakikita niyo naman, compared kay Maximo, mas lighter etong si 215 Coffee. Pero honestly, you guys, in person, it's brown, pero parang meron siyang halong very konting peach. Pero very konti lang naman. This is 215 Coffee as a lip liner. And this is 215 Coffee full pack color. Ba, hindi ko na ginagawang perfect kasi like, ang tag niya talaga, matag siya. And sayang sa product, utang na loob, baka maubos agad. Next shade that we have is called Love Bug. At ang Love Bug daw ay rose brown. So we have Maximo, 215 Coffee, rose brown, Love Bug, and obviously it is lighter than the first two shades. And in person, you guys, rose brown, pero honestly para siyang peachy na shade na for me. This is Love Bug as a lip liner. And this is Love Bug in full pack color. Next shade is Ola, and Ola is the warm, soft brown. I hope nakikita niyo yung difference ng mga shades, you guys. And Ola is lighter than the first 3 shades. At kung ito, in person, medyo peachy talaga siya. Etong si Ola, it's like a muted, peachy brown in person. This is Ola as a lip liner, and it's so nude in Mina. Like, nakikita niyo pa ba? This is Ola in full pack color. Next shade is called Ray Earth, and according to Get Ready With Me Cosmetics, this is a nude taupe. Honestly, guys, nung sinuswatch ko siya, parang super close nito ni Ray Earth and ni Ola. Pero ang difference lang niya is si Ola, in person na, mas parang dominant yung pagiging peachy niya. At etong si Ray Earth talaga, mas dominant yung pagiging more on the brown side. So this is Ray Earth as a lip liner. It's so nude na, you guys. Can barely, like, see it. And this is Ray Earth as a full pack color. Ang ganda rin sanang lipstick dito. Nude, nude. Oh, pero ma-ashy na siya sa akin, honestly. Next shade natin is For Real, and ito daw ay cool medium brown. And masasabi mo talagang it's cool kasi parang medyo ma-ashy na siya, alam mo yun. At kung magiging lipstick siya, para siyang mauve nude. This is For Real as a lip contour. And honestly, okay din yung mga nude lip contour, no? Kasi parang subtle ano lang siya. Parang ginagawa lang yung mas prominent yung outer corners or yung outer line ng lips mo. Kaya parang mas kitang-kita yung shape, mas defined, and you can actually overline para may konting, you know, mamaya ipapakita ko yung parang favorite ko way on how to plump my lips na baka kala mo nagpa-lip injection kahit hindi naman. And this is For Real in full pack color, and ang ashy, ang grayish na niya sa lips ko. So pang lip liner lang po talaga to. Yeah, this is For Real. And last but not the least, sa mga brownie nude shades is called Bear. At eto daw ang cool nude. So this is Bear. And honestly, for me, sa nakikita ko in person, para siyang nasa peachy brown side din. Pero like lighter compared dun sa rest of the other shades. This is Bear as a lip liner. Parang wala no? Pero parang nakikita nyo na naka-outline yung lips ko. And this is Bear as a full pack color. Okay guys, recap tayo. So this is Maximo 215 Coffee. This is Love Bug. This is Ola. This is Ray Earth. This is For Real. And this is Bear. Smudge test muna tayo guys. So, honestly, makakatanggal lang yan. Ito, wet wipes to. Wet wipes, mahirap, diba? Mag-ano pa rin siya. Mag-scratch pa rin siya sa skin mo. Pero, ang perfect talaga makakatanggal ng ganyan is either the usual makeup remover, pero the best talaga is oil. Like baby oil or yung virgin coconut oil. Here's a virgin coconut oil. Diba? Walang kahirap-hirap. Hindi bogbog ang skin. Tanim! Next naman you guys, mapunta tayo dun sa mga pinky-pinky. At ang una natin ay, first shade is called Anne. At ang Anne daw ay medium mauve pink. And it is honestly a mauve pink. Okay, so this is Anne as a lip liner. And this is Anne in full pack color. Next shade is called Cali. At ang Cali daw ay Dusty Rose. Alright guys, so this is Cali compared kay Anne. And mas lighter si Cali. And para siyang papaya pink kung gagawin mong lipstick. Itong si Cali. This is Cali as a lip liner. Kitang-kita niyo naman yung pagiging bright ni Cali. And this is Cali in full lips. Ay, ang gandang lipstick. Ganda sana lipstick to, di ba? Baka naman, may Lip Speak Volume 2. Next next shade natin is Summer LOE. At ang Summer LOE daw ay medium nude pink. At iba merong Lip Speak na Summer LOE. And this is Summer LOE swatched. And honestly, etong si Anne, it's like a pinky brown. Pero dominant syempre yung pagka-pink niya. Etong si Callie, it's like a papaya pink. Parang pink na haluan mo ng very konting orange. At etong si Summer LOE, parang mas yan pa nga yung Dusty Rose for me. Para siyang baby powder pink for me. Baby powder talaga yun. Pero yeah, very pretty. Etong si Summer LOE. This is Summer LOE as a lip liner. And this is Summer LOE in full pack color. And you guys, kinuha ko yung Lip Speak. Ito yung lip liner. Ito yung Lip Speak na Summer LOE. And yeah, they are definitely very close. At dahil dyan, gamitin na natin ang Lip Choke na Summer LOE. O diba, ang daling i-apply ng lipstick. I don't have to worry dun sa outer corners or sa outer line na baka maglagpas-lagpas yung lipstick. Pero dahil may lip liner na, so yung gitna na lang yung magiging focus ko. And the last of the pinks is called Felt Cute. In person, si Callie at si Felt Cute medyo hawig, pero mas lighter lang ang shade ni Felt Cute at mas dominant yung pagiging, peachy in a way. Oo, compared dito kay Callie, ito deeper talaga eh. So, this is Felt Cute as a lip liner, highlighter sa outer corners. Because it's really bright, yung Felt Cute. So guys, ayan ay mga pinky shades for the lip contour. We have Anne, we have Callie, we have Summer LOE, and we have Felt Cute. And last but definitely not the least, the shade is called New Classic, and it's red. And this is New Classic in full pack color. Ang ganda rin yung red lipstick, ano? Hindi ko sure kung nakakaputi ba siya ng ngipin. Parang. So yeah, this is New Classic. And ito na tayo sa sample view, guys. Depende sa inyo kung paano gagamitin yung mga lip contour. Most of the time, gumagamit ako ng lip pencil or ng lip contour to actually contour. Like, to actually make daya na I have Angelina Jolie lips when in fact, I just have regular lips. So, eto na nga yung talagang kinababaliwan kong combination. I'm going to take yung Maximo or like the deepest brown shade ng lip contour. And then, I'm just going to overline my lips. Well, eto, nag-work to para sa lips ko, sa shape ng lips ko, sa outline ng lips ko. It will vary depende on your lips. Now, I know this product is smudge-proof, pero bago pa siya tuluyang mag-set, isa-smudge ko na ng very, very slight. And then, I'm also going to put a little bit of dito sa itaas. Pakita ko yung before and after. Dito pa lang, parang kumapal na yung labi ko. And then, I'm going to take my current favorite lip gloss, or actually lip oil, from GRWM Cosmetics pa rin, and yung lip oil in the shade Baby Girl. Parang bibig ko. Sumobra ata ako, guys. Pero yeah, well, mabuti nang makita nyo yung parang like full potential ng lip contour. And then you get a really nice full lips na parang kala mo magang-maga. Marami pa mga techniques on how you can make your lips look fuller. Pwedeng darker yung outer. Pero meron din ibang mga technique na darker yung inner and then pa-lighter sa labas. Pero it will all depend on the shape and the lining of your lips. Basta ang goal ko lang sa video na to, mapakita sa inyo yung difference ng mga shades. And I hope nakatulong sa pagpili ninyo. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Again, I would like to thank GRWM Cosmetics and of course, May Layug for sharing your products with us. Thank you so much guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!